Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, March 20th, 2024. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have another cold front moving through. Big surprise. This March has featured plenty of cold fronts, and this one will again keep us a bit chilly out there. Right now, we have variable to broken cloud cover with some overcast cloud cover over portions of eastern Pennsylvania and more broken as you head towards the coast. We have another cold front, like I said, approaching. Not much in the way of precipitations being reported, but I'm going to show you the radar where it's showing some, and that's called virga. That's where precipitation is falling from the clouds, but the dry air towards the surface is drying that precipitation up. Temperatures throughout the region range from the lower to mid 30s in some of your higher elevations, mid to upper 30s. Otherwise, over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. When we take a look at our surface map and radar from WeatherTap, we certainly see plenty of support for precipitation showing up. Now, as these echoes get a little bit stronger, I would not be surprised if we get some more reports of showers as we move on through the day. And that's generally the theme with variable cloud cover and isolated to widely scattered showers as yet another cold front moves through the area. Now, when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see nice upper level low up here towards Canada. This is right to the north of the St. Lawrence River valleys around Quebec and Ontario. So this deep trough is sending polar air mass after polar air mass through the region. And that's going to continue to be a theme until about Friday. Then we're going to start to see a change in the weather patterns, start to trend a little bit warmer as the pattern changes, but it also supports the potential for some significant rainfall. And the pattern here for this storm is still a little bit complicated, and there's still some uncertainty. So we're going to talk about that in just a second. So let's dive into this forecast. So for today, the cold front moves through with the threat for some widely scattered showers. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. Chilly, but not unseasonable for this time of year. For tonight into tomorrow, that cold front clears out with clearing skies towards tomorrow morning. Still a bit breezy, very chilly. Low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. A hard freeze throughout the region. Tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures rebounding only into the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. For Friday, high pressure remains in control with tranquil conditions. Low temperatures, again, very chilly, upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the suburbs, upper 30s to lower 40s in your higher elevations, and mid to upper 40s in the urban areas around the I-95 corridor. On Friday night into Saturday, you're going to have an interaction, but not a full phase of the polar and subtropical jet stream. So, what does that mean? Well, when we get our worst storms, usually what happens is that you see an interaction or a combination of short waves in the polar jet stream that supplies the cold air and the subtropical jet stream that supports the moisture transport. In this case, they interact, but they don't fully come together, kind of like transformers, right? So what you end up with is this strong low pressure system that organizes over the southeast coast. This is with the subtropical jet stream, and this cold front with cold air pushing in towards New England and the mid-Atlantic. The interaction between these two features supports an area of moderate to heavy rainfall over the northern mid-Atlantic on Saturday, with the heaviest rainfall expected to be on the immediate coast. So let's say from Delaware through southern and central New Jersey and off towards Long Island, where we could expect anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain. A half an inch to an inch and a half of rain can be expected further to the north and west. It's going to be a rather raw day too on Saturday. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior and upper 50s, should I say upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. So it's just a wet, raw day. That storm exits out into the Atlantic on Sunday morning with clearing skies. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior and lower to mid 30s along the coast. Now, this low pressure system is going to meander off the coast. In the model guidance right now, it keeps the storm far enough to just support high pressure building in sky cloud cover. We have that onshore flow still in place, so there's still going to be some minor to moderate coastal flooding threats. But I'm going to keep the threat of a few isolated showers in the forecast, especially along the coast, because if this storm is a little bit further west, then we're going to be dealing with a few of those showers working in. Not a washout or anything of that nature. Your wettest day is clearly going to be Saturday, but Sunday, just be prepared for a passing shower or two. Look for high temperatures on Sunday to range from the lower to mid 40s. So, not exactly a warm day at all. Now on Monday, we have that storm out here in the Atlantic. I'm going to keep the threat for a few widely scattered showers on the coast just in case this ends up a little bit further to the west. Other than that, sky cloud cover, the further west you are, the more sunshine you'll see, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast, high temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in full control, but again, notice that easterly flow here with this high pressure system. So again, there's still going to be that threat for some minor coastal flooding. Sky cloud cover is expected. Can't rule out an isolated shower with that onshore flow. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Wednesday, another cold front will approach with increasing cloud cover and a threat for scattered showers. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s on the immediate coast, upper 40s to lower 50s everywhere else. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.